Imagine making money while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you it's possible? Passive income allows you to earn money even when you're not actively working. You put in the effort once, and then the money keeps rolling in over time. Today, I'm going to share 5 of the best passive income ideas that can help you achieve financial freedom. So, if you're tired of the 9 to 5 grind and want to start earning money in a smarter way, stick around till the end. 1. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the most powerful passive income sources today. Once you create and upload videos, they can continue making money for months or even years through AdSense, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The best part? You don't even need to show your face. You can create animation videos, AI-generated videos, faceless niche channels, best niches for passive income, finance and investing, stock market, crypto, saving tips, tech and gadgets, latest technology, smartphone reviews, health and fitness, workout plans, diet tips, educational content, self-improvement, online learning. Example, some creators make thousands of dollars per month just by uploading educational and informative videos. You just need to stay consistent, create engaging content, and optimize for YouTube SEO. 2. Earn through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to earn passive income online. The idea is simple. You promote other companies' products, and whenever someone buys through your affiliate link, you get a commission. Best platforms for affiliate marketing. Amazon Associates. Promote Amazon products and earn commissions. ClickBank and Digistore.24. Sell digital products, Shopify and Etsy. Promote e-commerce stores. How to start? Step 1. Find a niche and select an affiliate product. Step 2. Create a blog, YouTube video, or social media post to promote it. Step 3. Share your affiliate link and earn money every time someone buys through your link. Example. Some YouTubers make $10,000 plus per month just from Amazon affiliate links. If you create a video reviewing a product and people buy through your link, you keep earning money without any extra effort. 3. Stock market investments. Earn without working. Stock market investing can help you generate wealth passively. The best way to earn a steady income is through dividend stocks. These are companies that pay a part of their profits to investors every month or quarter. Best dividend stocks for passive income. Coca-Cola, KO. Apple, AAPL. Microsoft, MSFT. Procter & Gamble, PG. How it works. Buy shares of a dividend-paying stock. Get paid dividends regularly without doing anything. Reinvest your earnings to increase your income over time. Example. If you invest $10,000 in dividend stocks with an average return of 5% per year, you'll earn $500 per year without lifting a finger. The best part? You can start most of these today. So, which passive income idea do you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. Want more content like this? Like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.